Recruiters are lying to you, and it sounds harsh, but it's true. Have you ever heard things like, we'll keep your resume on file, or the salary is non-negotiable? What if I told you that's a few of the many lies recruiters tell you on a daily basis to keep you in the dark? Today, I'll be exposing some of the biggest lies recruiters tell, why they tell them, and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage to turn the tables and secure your next job. Secret 1, recruiters don't read all of your resume. Here's something that may shock you. Recruiters very rarely read your whole resume and will normally spend on average 5 to 10 seconds glancing it over. So what does this mean to you? It means you need to grab their attention instantly. It's your best and sometimes your only chance. So only include the most important information: your key skills, recent experience, and any measurable achievements. Use 2 to 3 bullet points per experience, use bold headers, and concise language. I highly recommend using an AI resume builder like AIApply that does it all for you. Secret 2 is they prioritize the perfect fit over anything. Recruiters aren't always looking for the best candidate, they're looking for the right candidate with the highest chance of getting through to the later stages. So what does this mean? It means even though you may have the perfect resume with the longest experience, you may get disregarded early on. They're hunting for someone that has the specific criteria a client has asked for that is unlikely to show up in the job spec. That could mean matching certain skills, but it's more likely to mean matching the company culture or even living close to the office. So first, you need to tailor your resume to match the needs of the job description and the interview. So if the job description mentions certain values, you need to make sure you weave these into your answers to show why you are the perfect fit for this company. Secret 3, they use indirect rejection. Phrases like, we'll keep you in mind, we'll keep your resume on file, are a polite way of saying no. They use it as a soft rejection so that you don't close the door completely. In case their number 1 applicant somehow falls through, they'll come calling again. So what's your move here? If you're interested in the company, make sure you follow up or network with someone that's there. Building connections keeps you on their radar, even if you miss the first opportunity. Secret 4, they already know the salary range. Ever have a recruiter ask, what are your salary expectations? They are trying to see if they can get you for less. They need to balance the company needs with your expectations to try and push you lower. So how do you play this game? Always do your research beforehand. Know the typical salary range for the location and your experience, and do not be afraid to negotiate or push for what you deserve. Secret 5, gaps in your resume are a big red flag. Whether it's a career break or an unexpected pause between jobs, recruiters notice career gaps and question your commitments. Here is the best way to handle it. Firstly, just be upfront. Mention it in your cover letter if there are career gaps in your resume, say why you took them and give reasons. Whether they're personal or professional, this will ease concerns and avoid the dreaded auto-rejection. Secret 6, internal candidates always get an advantage. Sometimes, no matter how good a fit you are, an internal candidate has already got the job in the bag, and the company is just going through the motions by posting the job online and trying to hire externally. Sometimes it's even a legal requirement. This doesn't mean you shouldn't apply, but it often means you need to work even harder to stand out. So how do you level the playing field? Often the answer is just to network. Try and build relationships with people inside the company or at least the industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on job hunting. And let me know how your job search is going in the comments below. And remember, with AIApply, your dream is just a few clicks away.